Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Fractal Design Pop series of cases. So friend, Fractal Design launches the Pop series of cases, and friend, the Pop Air features a mesh front panel to provide airflow, while Pop Style offers sound-dampened panels and a closed front to help minimize sound. While Pop Air and Pop Silent might differ in their ambitions, and both styles offer a solid build quality, straightforward layout, and uniquely stylish design expression. And friend, the Pop Air brings attitude to airflow, melding precision engineering with dynamic design, and this includes a range of cases with vividly colored motherboard plates, drive trays, and exterior accent for a fresh, expressive feel. And friend, the functional local point of Pop Air at the front, where a honeycomb mesh provide access to fan power cooling. And friend, as with all Pop series cases, the front also introducing neatly concealed storage drawer which can be used to store away desktop clutter or be replaced to host up two optional drives. And friend, Pop Silent combines quiet performance with a sleek minimalistic design aesthetic, and it features a sound dampened closed front, side panel, and top to help deliver an all-round quieter experience. And friend, its clean appearance and sound dampening functionality allow Pop Silent to as a quietly stylish case for mixed use, productivity, and lighter gaming. And friend, both is available in mini and XL version to offer truly diverse and flexible range of cases for a variety of build aspirations. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.